So for this vlog, we will discuss, or our group will explain about the lesson plan that we have prepared for the teaching session. First of all, I will explain about the set induction. So we have decided, or we have allocated 10 minutes for this stage. So in this stage, the teacher will distribute a worksheet to all the students, and the students need to finish or complete all the activities inside the worksheet, which are mini crossword puzzle, and also rearrange the word. So after the students have completed all the activities, the teacher will then ask the students to guess what will be their topic. And after that, the teacher will ask the student to open the textbook and turn to page 68. So in page 68, there is a magazine article, and the students are required to read the magazine article. And after that, the teacher will ask several questions related to the magazine articles. So this activity in induction set is important because it will help the student to get the gist of what topic they will be learning today, or what will be the center of their learning today.
For the presentation stage, we have allocated 15 minutes for the activity to be conducted. Okay, so the activity that we have chosen to be put in the presentation stage is the student will be watching a short video about the importance of saving money. So before the video is shown to the students, teacher will distribute a worksheet that contains questions related to the activity. So the students will be asked to complete the missing information in the table while watching the video presentation. So the video presentation will be played twice because just in case the students will be missing some information regarding their answer in the table. So after they are done, then the teacher will discuss the answer with the student briefly. Okay, so for the students activity, they will skim through the worksheet to get the gist of the activity. So they have to listen and understand the teacher's instruction, and also watch and listen attentively to the video presentation while filling in the missing information in the table. Okay, so after that, they will discuss the answer with the teacher.
So now moving on to the practice part, where we allocated 15 minutes for this session. So before we begin the class, So before we begin the activity, we will distribute a worksheet that is related to the activity, which is they will be listening to the teacher's reading, and then we will ask the students to listen to our instruction clearly, and then we will proceed reading about a short passage about pocket money, and they will listen to it twice, as we are going to read it twice, and then we will be moving on to the second activity. After that activity, then we will be moving on to the second activity, which is doing a script or dialogue and reading together with the students while the students circle their answer in the worksheet, and then we will provide them time to check their answer. And last but not least, as for the teachers, we will discuss their answer together in the class, and as grammatical explanation is needed for them. As for the students, they will listen to the teacher's instruction, and then they will listen to the teacher's reading of the short passage titled pocket money, and then they will fill in the worksheet that is given, and they will also check their answer during the second reading, and then we will be moving on to the second activity, which is doing the script, and they will circle their answer in the worksheet, and then following to that, they will check their answer according to the time given, and then they will lastly discuss their answer with the teacher and understand the grammar explanation that is given.
So for the production stage, teacher will brief the students about the next activity, and then teacher will provide the topic for the students' presentation, which is pocket money, and the main ideas about what they need to cover, which are the first thing is what is pocket money to you. The second one is how do you manage your pocket money, and the last one is in your opinion, should parents give their children pocket money or not? And then teacher will ask the students to brainstorm ideas that is related to the topic based on their own understanding, and then teacher will allocate 3 minutes for the brainstorming, and the last one is teacher will ask students to present the ideas in class. So for the students part, student will listen to teacher's instruction carefully, and then student will take note of the topic and main ideas for the presentation. And the third one is student will brainstorm ideas related to the topic based on their own understanding in 3 minutes, and the last part, student will present the ideas in class. So at the closure stage, teacher will conclude on what the students have learned. Teacher will also ask the students about the moral values that they can learn from the lesson, and finally the teacher will dismisses the class. So for the students part, students have to listen attentively to the conclusion, and then they have to recall what they have learned throughout the lesson. And the last one, student will give the opinion on the moral values that they can learn from the lesson. So that's all from me.